everyone, welcome back to my channel Shrewdly Sammy. Yeah, I know it's very, like I would say, it's a long back. We are coming back with videos, but we're trying to get it on track. Sorry for that. And today we will be going to unbox for the first time, I would say, an Android smartwatch. Being an Apple fanboy, yes, like we need to review all the products. So this is from Noise brand, Noise Fit. Okay, let's move on to the unboxing video. Okay, coming to the box and the packaging, I would say it's like a box C type, small, cute, little one. Not like Apple का पूरा ऐसे बड़ा box आता है rectangle में. So yeah, and also here like if you see there is a Noise branding, watch design, your features being listed. This one also, and yes, Virat Kohli, we are also fan. Okay, let's start with the feature wise. It says that how we can connect with this calling Bluetooth connectivity. We have 1.81 TFT display. Oh, that's great thing. Like we have AI voice assistance also. Over there it says that like 100 plus watch faces. We have heart rate, and it's, I would say, sorry, yeah, it's a metal finish. Yeah, like if you see this particular dial is a metal finish, and these are like rubber watch bands. And if you see then it's like a majorly I would focus on this thing, like 7 days battery life. Being an Apple, it's a 1 day for us. So yeah, it's a water resistance. Yes, if you have Bluetooth calling and all, so you will be a keypad. It's a, will track your sleep also, and additionally we have the heart rate monitor. So that is also a good feature. If you consider the price and budget friendly, I would say good things are being provided. Yeah, and it says that it is designed and manufactured in India. So proud to be an Indian, guys. Yep. Okay, I just installed in my phone. I will do setup with you guys only, so that you can also get how we need to pair up and all things. Okay, and over here it's mentioned that we have a watch, 1 unit, like watch plus band. And I'm little disappointed we just have the cable, not the adapter, or we can say charging dock to charge it. We need to, like if you have anything older and you can use, otherwise you need to purchase one. And over there it's mentioned MRP and all, so other details. Yep, let's unbox it. And we just have one cable. This one is mentioned. I would say this is a coupon for purchasing and all. Pamphlets, and like just like Apple, Noise also provided the stickers, so you can use it. And yeah, we're coming to there. Okay, and these are rubber strips. Okay, and we have, if we are saying that we have heart rate sensor also, and it says IP67. Yeah, same thing which has been mentioned on the box. Okay, and just I'm explaining you how to like charge it this way. It's a magnet. In Apple, like we have full dial, but here we are just this one, like this, and we will be adding it on the charging docket. Okay, okay, it's look like this way when you tie it. It's a normal watch like this way, and we have display. Yeah, I would say not sure like the quality or like that, but if you're being a daily user like that, I think maybe dust and with your sweat it will go out. So let's hope for the best. Okay, let's do the first boot. I'm also booting up for the first time right now. Not sure like we have a battery enough to turn it on. Let's try, hopefully. Okay, Yeah, it's getting started. Yeah, when you press it, it's look like good one. We have a noise logo. It says that you need to download the noise app. I already downloaded, but I didn't did the setup. Let's see. Okay guys, we did the setup. Like, you need to scan the code, the QR code, and also like if you are unable to get that, initially I was facing some issue, so I just did one trick, like switch off the watch and switch on, it got detected. And also like आपको अपना Bluetooth on रखना पड़ेगा, like if you want to use the Bluetooth connectivity calling and all, so that is the thing. And yeah, the rest all the things are looking pretty much clear. Like we need to create a profile also. Yeah. Okay, तो ये मैंने watch face लिया है. Like if you want to go this way, like just provide the swipe and details like your step and all related to your, I would say, fitness. See, and coming back like this way, there are your menu options. Okay, थोड़ा अजीब लग रहा है being an Apple user, but okay. And if we go to this setting, and I found to like a couple of settings are there, like if you need to modify according to your choice and like results you want as per the fitness. We are under settings section, and if you want to go back, just swipe back. This way we can see the multiple I would say features or icons we can say provided. Like for example, music we have, clock we have, AI voice, games, breathe. It's just like, I would say this looks like a Siri, and this is like for Apple's mindful, like we have one of an application, so that is similar to this one. And yeah, it's actually, I would say, one thing I'm still like not liking it, like yeah, this is the thing, like if you went to the couple of times it happens, so yeah. Okay, for navigation, like we want to go back, you just swipe left and what, just this one, like we will be used to it. See, now I'm getting it. Okay, these are a couple of options are available. So yeah, and if you want to go to, and just like Apple, this crown button is not functionable like for going up and down. Just one thing, as I told you earlier, like you can do is power on and off. And second thing is that in order to go back to the home, I would say home screen, just press this, you will be there. Okay, I would say that's it. Okay, so hopefully you liked the video about this color fit watch from Noise brand, and let's see, we will be coming with new videos soon. And till then, please like, share, subscribe to my channel Shrewdly Sammy. Bye bye, thank you all.